Hey guys, guess what? We're in another thunderstorm. We're back. Yep. Oh. Oh. You guys see that? Yeah. We're in a thunderstorm. Yeah. Oh boy, yeah. I'm scared. Don't know why, but I don't like lightning. Now I'm bummed. Because I can't go outside and get soaked. Ooh, car. Anyway. Look at that! Hold on. Look at... You see, what we have done has made God very angry. Look at the trees over there. Look at that. Look at them over there. If you can see it, I think you can. I can't really see it on camera, but if you guys can, please tell me, because this window is, excuse me, kind of a mess. But you can see it over here. You see, once again, what we have done is made God very angry. Oh boy. If you get the reference, then good for you. Reporting out in the rain. I mean, it's kinda... Damn! That was perfect timing, too. That was perfect timing. That was awesome. Yeah. But, yeah. Either that's the wind, or that's, once again, the Lord above being a little upset at us. Oh! I missed it again. Oh. Yeah. Well, if you enjoyed this video, well... Oh. Okay. Okay. It's not too bad right now here in Flint. I just docked myself great, but nice. Help me. It's thunder and lightning. And I'm scared just a little bit. Look at Charlie. Look at the boy. Look at the boy. Hi, Charlie. Look at him. I think he's sleepy. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, good for you. I hope you have a great day. Wish me luck. But if you don't, that's fine too. I'll wish you luck even if you're not currently in a thunderstorm. You can just be having a bad day. I'll wish you luck anyways. Love you guys. Bye.